Hello there, I'm Barry Wells of barry-wells.com, and this is the third video in the series showing newbies what they need to do to a purchased website from the point of purchase to the point of upload. Okay. In the first video we dealt with downloading and unzipping. In the second video we dealt with HTML editing software and a basic edit of these pages. Okay. I showed you how to hyperlink your email address and how to check the download links are in place. Okay. What I failed to mention, and I do apologise, is this highlighted page, the order now page. This is where we will be adding our payment buttons. Okay. Now on some websites you might have to add a payment button to the majority of these pages. Okay, that's fine. Fortunately on this one they're all on one page, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in a later video. Okay. Now the reason we have to do it in a later video is because when we create the when we create the payment buttons, we will be instructing PayPal to take the customer directly to the thank you page upon completion of payment. Now to do that we need to instruct PayPal where that thank you page is, and to do that we need a domain name. Now a domain name is the name of the website. Mine is barry-wells.com for this blog. Okay. Now I use one-on-one. I highly recommend them. I've never had a problem with them. And all you do is you come down to this section here, domains, enter the name you're thinking of, and I should point out, although we're using the eBay info store, please do not include eBay in your domain name. The reason for that is it's a registered trade name, and the legal bods at eBay, they do look out for this, and if they find you with if they find any websites with eBay in them that are not eBay sites, they will instruct you to take it down. If you fail to do so, they will start legal proceedings. Okay, bear that in mind please, because that's the last thing you need. Okay, enter your desired name and check this box here, or click the box to select the extension. Okay, depending on whereabouts you are in the world depends on what extension you would have. Okay, now this one's gone, I know that, but I'm just going to show you an example. See that it says sorry it's gone. Okay, below there are alternatives. Okay, if one of those is okay for you, then select it. Check the prices over here. .co.uk is £2.99, as is me UK or UK. Now for my first year I had to purchase 2 years. Okay, for the first transaction, which is still cheap. £6 for the first year. For the first 2 years is excellent. Now because that name has gone, what you do is you click the back button on your browser, come down, select another name. I'll use InfoTed for the example. Click check, and that one is available. Okay, so if you wanted that, you just click there, continue. Okay, and run through the process of making your payments and what have you. Okay, now once you've got your domain name, you need a host. Now some internet service providers will allow you free web space. If so, all well and good, but make sure that you can upload your own site to that space. Okay, I know with Orange you used to be able to, but you can't any longer. You can only use their templates, which is okay for Happy Snappy or whatever, but for business it's no good. Okay, you can see here you can host unlimited domains, so you could have 5, 10, 15, 20 websites all on the same host. Okay, so you do not need fresh hosting for every package. Okay, they also do domain names. I use D9 myself. They're absolutely smashing. Okay, if there's any ever any queries, they're back with you within 24 hours, and so far they've solved every little concern that I've had. Okay, now once you've got your hosting, you'll receive an email with all your account details. Okay, what you'd need to do, if you went with one-on-one or whichever company you use for your domain name, if it's not D9, you need to go to your control panel, which they will send you a link to that. You select the domain name that you're using, come over here to the DNS, click, come down to edit DNS, click again, and enter the DNS number that your host has provided you with. Okay, it's all pretty simple. I can't show you here for security reasons, but it's all pretty simple. Okay, right, I'll uncheck that. Now that can take up to 72 hours to pair up. Okay, Please don't be alarmed by that. That's how it is, okay? There's nothing you can do about it. What I would like you to do in the meantime, while you're waiting, is create a record of some sort, okay? You could do it on database, or you could do it on a notepad, okay? Either way, notepad's easier to copy. Database is all pretty straightforward. Now what I've done is I've added the title of the packages and the thank you pages. Now don't type these out, because if you make a mistake in your typing, it will not work, okay? So the best way to do it is get the page up, check the page you wish, right click, and select rename, okay? That will open up the box, highlights in blue, right click again, copy, check the background, just to close it so that it's you can't delete it by mistake. Come to your spreadsheet or your notepad document, right click and paste, okay? Now you see there, this hasn't got any file extension on it, okay? So it doesn't know what type of file, so you would need to add .htm, okay? And that is the thank you page already. Now I'll show you in sorry, I'll point this out. What I've also done is I've added the price of the products on the pages as they are, but you have resale rights to this product, so you can add your own prices, okay? I'll show you how to do all this in a little while, or in another video. Buttons, that refers to payment buttons. Autoresponder, because we will also set up an autoresponder later as well, okay? Now I've entered no for them all. As we do each one, we'll correct it to yes, okay? Just so you can keep a record of what you've done and what you haven't done, all right? I'll show you on this one. This will be the location of your thank you page, okay? http:// if you have .com / the name of the thank you page, which is here, okay? So if you can get all of that ready for the next video, we will then be able to move on, okay? Like I said before, to keep up with the video series, please enter your name, your email address, and click submit on my blog. You'll receive an email containing a link. Please click that link to confirm that you do give me permission to send you these emails, and then I will send you an email every time I've uploaded a new post to my blog. Okay? Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.